It's no secret. Building wealth isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. The key to financial freedom is finding ways to make your money work for you while you focus on what really matters in life. That's where passive income comes in. In today's video, you'll discover 8 passive income ideas that you can start today, regardless of your background or current job. And trust me, by the time we reach the end, you'll be ready to start your passive income journey. Stick around because you won't want to miss the hidden gem near the end, a strategy often overlooked but incredibly powerful. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and most popular ways to make passive income. Simply put, you promote other companies' products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. How hard is it to get started? Anyone can sign up for an affiliate program in just a few minutes. This gets a 1 for difficulty. The real challenge comes later. How hard is it to maintain? Here's where it gets tricky. To make affiliate marketing truly passive, you need to drive a lot of traffic to your links. That could be through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Building that audience can take time, and without it, you won't make much money. For that reason, I give this a 4 for maintenance, especially if you're relying on organic traffic. 2. Becoming a content creator, or creatorpreneur. Everyone's heard about making money on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, but very few people approach it with an entrepreneurial mindset. This is what separates successful creators from hobbyists. If you want content creation to become a source of passive income, you need to treat it like a business. How hard is it to get started? Pretty much anyone can create content. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection, so I'd rate this a 1 out of 5 in terms of getting started. How hard is it to maintain? The tricky part is staying consistent long enough to start earning. For most people, it takes months, even years, before they make meaningful money from ads or sponsorships. You'll need to build systems, outsource tasks, and stay committed. That's why I rate content creation a 4 out of 5 for difficulty in maintenance. However, once you've built an audience, the money can keep rolling in from older videos, making it one of the most rewarding passive income streams. 3. Real estate rental income. Real estate, it's a classic, and for good reason. Buying property to rent out has been one of the most reliable methods for generating passive income for centuries. The idea is simple. You purchase a property, rent it out, and collect monthly payments. The beauty is that once the property is set up and tenants are in place, the income keeps rolling in. But here's the catch. How hard is it to get started? Let's be real. Real estate isn't the easiest or cheapest way to generate passive income. You'll need money for a down payment, a solid credit score, and the patience to find the right property. If you've got the capital and are willing to go through the process, it's doable. But I'd rate this at about a 3 out of 5 in terms of difficulty. How hard is it to maintain? Here's where you have some flexibility. If you manage the property yourself, you'll save money but invest more of your time. On the other hand, hiring a property manager will make it more passive but at a cost. Either way, the effort needed to maintain this income stream depends on how hands-off you want to be. So I'd give this a 3 out of 5 in terms of maintenance. Now you may be wondering, what if I don't have enough money for a down payment? Stick around, because I'll show you a way to invest in real estate without having to actually buy property. Investing in real estate investment trusts, or REITs, can be a fantastic option if you love the idea of real estate but don't have the cash to buy a property outright. A REIT is a company that owns and manages income-generating real estate, from hotels to office buildings. What's great about REITs is that they pay out 90% of their income to shareholders in the form of dividends. How hard is it to get started? Well, buying shares in a REIT is as simple as buying any other stock. All you need is a brokerage account and you're good to go. This ranks a solid 1 for difficulty. It's that easy. How hard is it to maintain? Once you're in, it's incredibly passive. But here's the thing. To earn substantial returns, you'll need a fair amount of capital. For example, if a REIT offers a 3.4% return, you'd need to invest $50,000 to make just $140 per month. So, while REITs are easy to start, the returns aren't massive unless you invest heavily. In terms of maintenance, though, this is a 2 out of 5. Creating an online course can be a game changer if you have knowledge in a specific field. Online courses allow you to create a product once and sell it multiple times. Whether it's teaching Excel tricks, photography, or coding, there's a massive market for online education. How hard is it to get started? The real challenge here is figuring out what value you can offer. But once you identify that, creating the course itself is fairly straightforward. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare make the process easy, and you don't need to worry about the technical setup. So I'd give this a 2 for difficulty in getting started. How hard is it to maintain? Once the course is built, it's nearly fully passive. The real effort comes in promoting it, whether that's through SEO, social media, or paid ads. If you can automate your marketing, you'll turn this into a cash machine. I'd rate maintenance a 2 out of 5 because the content itself doesn't need constant updates unless you're in a rapidly changing field. Dividend investing is one of the simplest ways to earn passive income. Essentially, you buy shares in companies that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders. It's straightforward. The more shares you own, the more dividends you receive. How hard is it to get started? Well, it depends on how much you already know about the stock market. If you're new to investing, you'll need to do some research. You can also opt for dividend-paying index funds to diversify your portfolio, which can make it easier. I'd rate this a 3 for difficulty in getting started, mainly because of the learning curve. How hard is it to maintain? This is where dividend investing shines. Once you've made your investments, the income is truly passive. You'll want to reinvest your dividends to maximize your gains, but other than that, it's hands-off. This scores a 2 for maintenance. If you have a skill or knowledge that can be packaged into a product, selling digital goods like ebooks, printables, or website templates can generate significant passive income. How hard is it to get started? Creating a digital product requires upfront effort. You need to decide what you're going to sell and create it, whether it's an ebook, a course, or a downloadable guide. But once you have your product, it's smooth sailing. I'd give this a 2 in terms of difficulty to get started. How hard is it to maintain? After the initial creation, the product essentially sells itself. You can list it on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. However, like most things, the challenge is in marketing. Promoting your product requires consistent effort, but once you get traffic flowing, the income is pretty passive. I'd rate maintenance at a 3 out of 5. This is where you turn a service into a product that people can purchase repeatedly, without needing your constant attention. Let's say you're a fitness trainer offering one-on-one coaching. You could turn your coaching into an online membership program where users pay for access to pre-recorded workouts. This way, your service becomes scalable and doesn't rely on you trading time for money. How hard is it to get started? This requires some upfront work, building out your service, packaging it into a scalable product, and automating the delivery. I'd give it a 4 in terms of difficulty. How hard is it to maintain? Once your productized service is up and running, it can be incredibly passive. You'll still need to oversee operations and ensure consistent value, but with the right systems in place, you can step away from day-to-day tasks. This earns a 4 for maintenance. If you've tried any of these passive income strategies or are thinking about it, share your experience in the comments below. And if you're looking to boost your financial health, don't miss our next video on the 10 things you should stop buying to save more money. You'll find the link on the screen right now. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest financial tips.